Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find ads nearby on Snapchat. The process will be pretty straightforward. The first thing to do is to open your Snapchat app. Once it is open, you will see the location icon at the bottom left. Tap on this. So this is my current location on Snapchat. If I zoom in, you can see two things here. So these are my nearby Snapchat accounts. Suppose I tap on a specific one. So here are the videos on Snapchat. And if I want to add someone to my Snapchat, tap on the video and tap on the plus sign. As you can see, I said this person on my Snapchat. Now, the second thing is to go back from here, and you will see the search bar icon at the top left. Tap on the search bar. Now search for a specific place that is close to your place. For example, I am searching for Mianwali, so here are my search results. Tap on yours so you can see from here. Here are the people from Mianwali. Now swipe this to the left side, tap on the video, and do the same. Tap on the plus sign when you tap on this. You will add this person to your Snapchat. So, by using this method, you can add nearby friends on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.